Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to flip images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. Click File, then click Open, and choose the image you want to flip. Once the image is open, go to the top toolbar and find the Image section. Click the Rotate option to open the menu. To mirror the image from left to right, choose Flip Horizontal. This is useful when you want a mirror effect. To turn the image upside down, choose Flip Vertical. Paint will instantly flip the image in the direction you selected. After flipping the image, check the result on the screen. If you're happy with it, click File and choose Save to replace the original image. If you want to keep the original image, click Save As and save the flipped image with a new name. You can choose PNG or JPEG as the file format. That's it. This is the easiest way to flip images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.